YouTube, welcome back, family. Welcome to the spot, and you know what time it is. So I'm over here wrenching on the GY6, and returning client. He says he's trying to cut his grass today, and his mower won't start. Well, it's been raining the past week, and he doesn't have a storage area for his mower. So I'm assuming it needs a carb cleaning because it's flooded with water. It's the old style carb where the carburetor's in the tank or on top of the tank, and the air filter's on top. So when it rains, it could potentially collect water. But more than likely, that's what it is. So let's just jump into it, guys. Now you're going to remove these two bolts right here. You can work it from here, but it's easier just to pull the whole assembly off. So much easier. Plus, you don't have to be bent over. Okay, remove the 5 screws. Two. Make sure your gasket's in there. And you can see something milky. So we had a rainy day, or we had 2 days that was rainy, and I'm assuming that's what happened. So we're gonna empty the tank, refill it up, clean the carb,